I'm going to teach you an exercise called revolved abdominal pose. The focus is on derotation of the spine rather than rotation. So putting yourself in a position and then trying to rotate out of it. And what it does is it helps you find your blind spots in rotation. And we all have them. If you're right-handed or left-handed, you're stronger on one side versus the other, and the same thing is true for rotation. You take one block between your legs, your upper inner thighs, 2 blocks on either side of you. They're like speed bumps that you're going to land on. Arms go up towards the ceiling, and this is the easy part. You just land your legs on the block. Make sure your knees are matched up, and on exhale, you hear me do a little grunt there. You come back to center. It's not easy. And then the easy part, legs go over to the side, and the exhale to come back. So you're really tithing in your oblique muscles into the lower back. It's a great exercise for helping heal lower back pain. If you're looking for more videos, more blogs, and information on my teaching schedule, go to my website, TrinaAltman.com.